Hi guys, my name is Diana and today I'm going to walk you through my everyday makeup look using the Watermelon Dewdrop Serum. The first step, of course, is skincare. I'm going to be using the Pore-Tight toner to begin. Next, we're going to be using the Avocado Retinol Eye Mask. We want to work her into the skin. Next, I'm going to use just one pump of the Plum Serum. That's all you need. Lastly, I'm going to be using the moisturizer to seal it all in. Your skin will thank you, I promise. Personally, I love to use the dewdrops as a primer after my moisturizer and before foundation. 2 pumps to get the ultimate glow. And then we're going to work her into the skin like so. I like to let the glow talk for itself, so I'm just going to use a little concealer here and there. It just blends in so nicely when you have a hydrated base. So I just mixed a bit of my cream blush with the dewdrops, and this just gives it even more glow. And just a little bit of lip pop. I love a light natural eye look. And to finish it off, I'm just going to use half a pump of the dewdrops. And I'm just going to put these on the high points of my face. We want to tap out the excess. A little bit on the tip of your nose. And on your cupid's bow. Thanks so much for watching. I'm excited to see your dewy looks. See you next time.